Hello, fiber enthusiasts. My new book is The Art of Tapestry Weaving, Mastering Techniques for Making Images with Yarn. I'm a tapestry artist, educator, and author currently living in Fort Collins, Colorado. The Art of Tapestry Weaving is for anyone who's interested in learning the techniques of woven tapestry. If you're interested in making images in woven form, this book contains everything you need to know to get started, including choosing your equipment and materials, the steps you need to take as you get started and warp your loom, and also how to do each of the techniques in a step-by-step fashion so that you can put shapes together and build the kinds of images you want to make in tapestry. This book is also a fantastic reference tool for people who are a little more familiar with tapestry in general. It's something you can return to over and over as you refer to maybe new techniques or remind yourself of how to do those techniques you learned long ago. I have taught tapestry weaving in workshops and in my online school for the last decade now. This book was written for my students. Your questions over the years have helped me develop this method of teaching that is intuitive and easy for new students in the world of tapestry. The book is heavily cross-referenced and it has a nice table of contents and index so you can find whatever it is you're looking for. And each technique is shown with clear step-by-step instructions and images so that you can go through each of them one at a time as you practice. When you're first starting out in tapestry, it can seem a little bit overwhelming. There's just so many things to learn in terms of yarn and tools and how to actually do the techniques. This book is set up in a way that will help you from the beginning make those choices and then build on your knowledge step by step so that you can gain confidence and become a great tapestry weaver yourself. There has not been a comprehensive tapestry techniques book published in a couple decades now, and I'm thrilled that this book can fill that gap and be a great reference tool for new and experienced tapestry weavers alike. I want to extend a big thank you to Merritt bookstore for allowing me to be part of their virtual Rhinebeck event, and I hope you enjoy poking through all the beautiful, amazing books that they're featuring on their site here. Have fun weaving!